afraid of birds?
I'm afraid of some birds for sure.
Huh. Mortimer! Mortimer!
Margaret?
Come in!
I won't.
Come in, the storm! It's growing deeper and darker by the minute.
I'd rather be out here in the elements, Margaret,
Mortimer!
than in our beautiful home.
Come away. The spire is casting a deadly shadow over you, and the trees are no longer full of leaves, and yet there is a rustling.
I would rather stay out here in the storm than come inside. Do you know why? I don't know what the rustling here could be, but you brought home a pair of keys, and I won't set foot inside this house, 'cause I saw its beak, its scary mouth, and I would rather face this storm.
There's a bird inside. There are hundreds more out here.
Elaborate on that.
Yes, there's a bird inside, but out here you're not clear. So if you fear the beak and the talon,
and I do,
the feather and wing,
that too,
then here's the there is one bird inside, but hundreds out here.
I'll come inside.
Good.
But we have to put the inside bird outside.
No, Mortimer, you can't be afraid of this small, sweet bird here.
Then why do you keep it in a cage? Cages are for creatures full of violence and rage.
Just a cage to make it feel close, 'cause the bird is quite small, and our old Gothic manor has ceilings too tall. So if I let it out to fly free, I'm afraid a friend of me we'd never be. So I keep him safe in the cage so we can get to know each other. The parakeet. It's the bird inside. There are hundreds
of birds out there.
Hundreds more.
There's just one bird inside. And there are hundreds of birds out there. What is more dangerous, the monster in your home, or the many monsters outside your door? I don't know.
What is fear? Is it facing it in the clear, or having it so very near?
Margaret.
Mortimer, and one bird.
One bird.
One bird inside. Just one bird inside. One bird
Margaret, the power, the lightning, the storm.